The Rolling Walker Combo FSA HSA is an innovative solution that combines the benefits of a walker and a transport chair, offering seniors mobility support with the added convenience of a seating option. Designed with enhanced comfort in mind, the VOCIC walker features a thicker cushion and non-inflatable rubber wheels, ensuring a comfortable and stable experience for users. Its one-hand folding mechanism allows for easy storage and transportation, making it convenient for seniors who are on the go. Equipped with 10-inch front wheels, this rollator provides seamless movement across a variety of terrains, making it suitable for everyday use. The durable build and shock-absorbing system make it perfect for navigating uneven surfaces, offering users the freedom to explore any environment with confidence. Eligible for FSA and HSA, this product not only provides mobility and comfort, but also offers financial benefits, making it an ideal choice for seniors looking to enhance their quality of life.